Hello everyone, and in this lecture I will explain you clearance fit, transition fit and interference fit. So first is clearance fit. In clearance fit, the shaft diameter is always smaller than the hole diameter. So this is a shaft, this is a hole, and this shaft outer diameter is always smaller than the hole diameter. First I will take a section view, and suppose I want to insert this shaft into the hole. So at the time of insertion, you will see there is always small gap is present in between shaft and hole, and shaft can easily go inside to the hole. The shaft can slide and rotate easily, and there is no force required for assembly. There is one example like pen refill and outer body of the pen. So please remember that shaft diameter is always smaller or less than hole outside diameter. Next we have transition fit. In transition fit, the hole and shaft may have either clearance fit or interference fit. Means sometimes the shaft can insert it into the hole very easily, or sometimes it requires small amount of force by using our hand to insert the shaft into the hole. So if I take a normal view, and if I want to insert this shaft onto the hole, at the time of insertion, you will see there is either a clearance fit, like sometimes it can go easily, and sometimes we require some amount of force by using our hand to insert this shaft onto the hole. So in transition fit, either a clearance or interference fit is present. Next we have interference fit. An interference fit is a fit in which shaft is always larger than the hole. So this is a shaft outer diameter, and this is the inner diameter of the hole. So shaft diameter is always larger than the hole diameter. Suppose I want to insert this shaft onto the hole. So at the time of insertion, you will see there is a small amount of interference is present. At the time of insertion, you will see like the shaft is interferencing with the hole, and we require some amount of force like using hammer. And in interference fit, the parts there is no clearance is present. Parts cannot be assembled by using hand, and we require some amount of force. And the example of the clear interference fit is bearing press onto the shaft. So simply you can remember, like if force required to assemble two parts, there is a interference fit. So today we learn all about fits, and in the next video I will explain all about tolerances. So thank you for watching the video.